Sister. Please, good morning. Please, I'm searching for some grand woman. She have tone. She have tone, but she's graduate. Another circumstance, she also blend, but I don't know, she's tall, but she have some tones here. She has tones.
Oh, okay, you are looking for that tall man.
Yeah, she's around, but
is he a man or a woman?
She's woman, but she's name is called Sweet Man.
Oh my goodness, you are looking for Sweet Man.
Thank you for another question.
So you're looking for Berma Bediide, right?
Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Don't worry, let's go. I know his house.
Okay. And she's grandmother is some first lady.
Please take it easy, okay? I know they don't worry.
She's grandmother. She's grandmother is color like this.
Don't worry. I know him. Don't worry. You wait. I know him.
Okay. Please, I marinate for you.
That's right. You can relate.
Marinate.
Hey, Radinya.
No, please. Please. Hey.
Mama me fele ha na se de nsuo ni si twebasa no.
Mira.
Me wa ha ba ya wata no. Na fe. Me fra wa yi ayifo nkofo mo hwe nsuo yi.
Nadmo.
Na go ayifo.
Ha?
O say
Nadmo.
Na go.
Wa bo papa.
O de anofuma.
Good afternoon.
Me wura na ho ye de.
Yes, thank you. Congratulations, eh?
Hey,
Grandpa.
Oh, very long time.
Yeah, long time to give. Missed you.
Hey, yo. What fancy?
Offer.
Yeah.
I don't go for anything.
Where is that? Some really weird, Yanni. Them got to say, me too, no notion. Where is that?
Thank you, Goga.
Go, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, but that's it.
Madam, congratulations, eh?
Of him, crank, Jimmy. Now, young. Now, from since where?
Please, is it the background? The FM is the junction. So I was adjacent to the maritime.
What fancy? The what?
The adjacent to the maritime.
The what?
Maybe your money, the place.
Public toilet.
Thank you.
So,
and the woman is.
What should I say? Oshia by public toilet. And we send the agent stand. We are about this. I'm going to run in the better summer. And I don't know the brand.
This is this all is.
Now when I say a madu,
but we are also is
what?
Cosmetics.
Cos what?
Cosmetics.
Young call them. Why?
yeah.
I'm saying when you're out the bread. What's it cosmetics? Young.
It's cosmetics. So it's already. This one is
what?
You can
what? What is that?
You can ram it.
You can what?
Ram it.
You can?
Ram it.
Young got it.
Papa, when you feel full.
Oh, we are hey, what do you? Now can reply in Hey, oh, yeah, Mamma, coffee. You will be near Hubi. They are not better right. As I am majestic. What's the film for Central Bank? Get Miss Mackie, or quite a